Do you pack your whole wardrobe when you're going on vacation? And then still when you're there, you're wondering, I don't know what to wear? I have a solution for you. Go to my website, scroll down, you'll find download free guide. Click on that and again scroll down and you will find the travel outfit plan. This travel guide has everything from your date, weather, activity, daytime to evening. And your step 1 is going to be filling this travel guide. I've written down my travel dates. I've written day and evening. I have written down every single day what I'm going to wear as detailed as possible with accessory, jewelry. But step 2, go to your wardrobe and remove every single item of clothing and accessory that is mentioned on the paper, nothing else. Arrange them on your bed, and I like to arrange from morning, evening. So in a day, I know what I'm wearing. Add everything, start adding your jewelry, your other accessories, shoes, bags, whatever you want to add. This way you will know, are you carrying too much jewelry? Are you carrying too many bags? Are you carrying too many shoes? This gives you a clear view of what will go in your bag. Don't get tempted to pack more things because you've thought about it. So this paper also goes in my bag. I also make a note of things that I'm missing while packing. Say for example, किसी का दुपट्टा repair में गया है, some shirt needs to be ironed, things like that. So I don't forget at the last moment. Now I'll refer to my travel guide and I'll also make note of all the toiletries, travel documents, electricals, whatever I need. I'm going to do a part 2 with toiletries and part 3 of how I actually pack my bag with the packing cubes.